Hi children, welcome to Narayana Life class. So today in this assignment, let us go with Sadhana workbook page number 85 and 86. Okay, see here the first, which is not a part of the nervous system. The first section we have the choose the correct answers, which is not a part of the nervous system. So here they have given the options lungs, nerves, spinal cord and brain. So here spinal cord, nerves and brains comes under the parts of the nervous system, whereas the lungs, it comes under the respiratory system. Let us write here 1. Second, choose the correct option. This is the largest part of the brain. So it is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. See the third one, reflex actions are controlled by. So they are controlled by the spinal cord. Next is the second slide. This is a sense organ. So which is the sense organs? We have the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, here they have given options: hair, arms, tongue and legs. So which is the sense organ here? Tongue. Let us write here 3. See the fifth one. What is an automatic actions and nearly instantaneous movement in response to a stimulus called? So they are the automatic actions. They are called as the reflex actions. Let us write here 3. Next, the second section we have match the following. Column 1 they have given, column 2 A and B. See the first here, reflex actions. So reflex actions, they are controlled by the spinal cord. Let us write here E. Next, carries messages from the brain. So which carries the messages from the brain? It is the motor nerves. The motor nerves carries the messages from the brain. Next, third one, helps to keep our balance. Which helps to keep our balance? It is the ear. Control balance, coordinate muscles, movement. So which it is? It is the cerebellum. Let us write here A. Next, the fifth one, under the control of our will. So it we can have that, we can do it with our own. It is the cerebellum. Let us write here A. The actions are under our control. Those actions, they are called as the voluntary actions. Now next, let us go with the third section. Here we have the fill in the blanks. The first fill in the blank, heartbeat is a dash action. So heartbeat, it is not under our control. So it comes under the involuntary actions. Let us write here involuntary action. Involuntary actions. The second one, dash nerves carries messages from the brain to the sense organs. So which nerves it is? It is the motor nerves. M-O-T-A-R. The motor nerves, they carry the messages from the brain to the spinal cord. The third one, dash connects the brain to the nerves. Which connects the brain to the nerves? It is the medulla. Let us write here M-E-D-U-L-L-A. Medulla. The fourth blank, dash is the largest part of the brain. It is the cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. Next, here see here, medulla is the involuntary actions and the center of intelligence. Which is the center of intelligence? It is the cerebrum itself. Let us write here cerebrum. And next, the fourth section, here we have true or false. State whether true or false. The first one, the brain is the most delicate organ of the human body. Yes, it is true. Brain is the delicate organ of the human body and it is protected by the skull. The second one, cerebrum connects the ear to the brain. No, cerebrum, it is connected to the motor nerves. It is false. And next, medulla connects the involuntary actions. So it is true itself. Next, the fourth one, motor nerves carries messages from the body to the brain. The statement given is false. Next, the fifth one, sensory nerves carries messages from the brain to our body parts. No, the sensory nerves, they carries the messages from the sense organs to the brain. But here given the wrong statement. Let us write here false. Okay. Hope you all understood. Thank you.